kids! Yeah! Are you ready for a super fun Phonics A to Z quiz?
Question 1. What letter does lion start with? A. L. B. N. C. T. Answer. L. Roar. Great job. Question 2. Which animal starts D? Dog, cat, fish. Answer. Dog. Awesome work. Question 3. S _ N. Fill in the missing letter. A. B. C. A. Answer. S-U-N. Fantastic. Question 4. On screen. What is the first sound you hear in frog? A. F. B. G. C. R. Answer. F. Fantastic. Question 5. Which vowel do you hear at the beginning? A. B. C. A. Answer. Amazing. Question 6. Which two pictures start with the same sound? A. Bear and B. B. Bee and car. C. Bear and car. Answer. Bear and bee. Brilliant. Question 7. C-A _. Which letter makes a real word? A. P. B. M. Answer. Both A and B. Cat and cam are both real words. Super thinking. Question 8. Which word does not rhyme? A. Cat. B. Bat. C. Dog. Answer. Dog. Excellent. Question 9. On screen. H-T. Choose the missing letter. A. B. I. C. A. Answer. A. H-A-T. Awesome. Question 10. P. What word did we make? A. Cup. B. Cap. C. Cup. Answer. Cup. You're reading so well. Question 11. Which two words begin with B? A. Bus and ball. B. Ball and goat. C. Bus and goat. Answer. Bus and ball. Fantastic. Question 12. On screen. R-N. Fill in the missing letter. A. I. B. E. C. A. I. Rain. Wonderful. Question 13. On screen. A. B. C. D. E. F. Dash. Which letter comes next? A. G. B. H. C. I. Answer. G. You're an alphabet expert. Question 14. Which two words start with the sh sound? A. Ship and shark. B. Shark and ball. C. Ship and ball. Answer: ship and shark. Excellent listening. Question 15. How many letters are in the word star? A. 3. B. 4. C. 5. Answer: 4. Hooray!
Like, share, and subscribe to our channel. We're here to help your child succeed. Join our learning community today.
To start your learning journey, click the link in the description. Choose your class, enter your phone number, and book your free demo today. Follow our other YouTube channel to help your child become a great speaker.